Welcome back guys, and for today's video we will be trying to replicate what the SpaceX team did with their rockets. Now their concept is pretty simple. Fly the rocket up to the space, detach the capsule which contains the satellite, and bring the rest of the stages down and land it on a stable ground or a moving platform. Now, the concept is simple but it's quite difficult to execute. Now, I will be trying to replicate somewhat in on Kerbal space program today, and we will be doing it a little bit differently. So, let's just load our rocket. I have saved it. I don't want to really waste time creating it. Now, let me explain what the rocket is. We have a we have a MK1 command mod pod, very important MK16 parachute, and we have FT800 fuel tanks, and we have three of them. And also we have the S3 KS25 vector liquid fuel engine. Now it's a little bit overpowered, but it's actually perfect for the job, allows us to control the landing very precisely. Now these are all, as you can see, not very large in size. They are actually the smallest components that I can find. One of the reason that is that the rocket gets actually very light, and it's very easy to land. Won't explode. And of course the Mark 16 parachute helps as well, because it's a very strong parachute. Now, the difference between our rocket and the SpaceX rocket is that we don't have a detachable capsule. Now, in KSP, it is possible to have multiple command modules, but it is not possible to attach anything over a rocket. So that would make it pretty much impossible, or very complicated to replicate the actual SpaceX launch. So we are going to do a flyby, and so let's get straight into launch and let's see how it goes, and if we are successfully able to land. Alright, so as you can see, this is our rocket on the launch pad. We have only two stages, so we have the main engine ignition and then the parachute stage. Let's launch the rocket. 3 2 1. Alright, so I won't be going up too high. I'll just give it an initial boost, and actually the rocket starts to tip very early because it's very light and there's not really anything holding it up. Well, that was a fail. Oh. Oops. Alright, fourth try. 3 2 1, launch. And I'll try to go up very straight and cut it in 3 2 1. I guess this should be more than enough. It is spinning badly. So now this patch of land right here is not really good. It always tips the rocket. I have landed it here before and around somewhere here. So let's just see how this happens. Let's just cut short. Fast forward a little bit, and I guess I can start slowing it down now. again I'll deploy the rocket. I'll deploy the parachute at around 1500. So we are approaching that. Let's slow down, deploy, and let the parachute do its job. I hope it lands this time. It's okay. So the parachute has been activated. Let's just try to slow it down a little bit and begin to land. So you really need the parachute for this to happen in KSP. I have tried various methods without a parachute and they don't really seem to work that well. So I think we are going to have touchdown very soon, and I guess it's the same patch. We might tip over again. I guess we are okay. Well, finally we were able to land, and we are swaying a little bit, but I guess this is what you call landing. So took me 4 tries. I have done it earlier in one go, but well, I guess you just need to find the right patch of land. Now, of course, I have no landing gear here, so it's just resting on its engine, which is not really that ideal in a real life situation or even in KSP. So if you can actually add some landing gear right there, that would be nice. But apart from that, I guess it's pretty good land. And well, I guess I'll see you guys next time, maybe with more KSP, some other games. And well, thanks for watching this video, and I will see you next time.